How to change lock screen shortcuts on Android, 2026. Want quick access to your favorite apps right from your Android lock screen? In this video, I'll show you how to change lock screen shortcuts on Samsung, Xiaomi, and Google Pixel phones. Keep in mind that the steps may vary depending on your phone brand and Android version, and some devices don't support this feature. Let's get started. Method 1, Samsung, One UI. Step 1, open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Step 2, open Lock Screen Settings. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen in AOD. Step 3, edit the lock screen. Tap Edit Lock Screen. If prompted, verify your identity using your PIN, password, or fingerprint. Step 4, select a shortcut. Tap either the left or right shortcut icon at the bottom of the lock screen preview. Step 5, choose a new app or function. Select the app or function you'd like to use as your lock screen shortcut. Step 6, save your changes. Tap Done or Save to apply the new shortcut. Method 2, Xiaomi, HyperOS/MyUI. Step 1, open Settings. Open the Settings app. Step 2, open Lock Screen. Tap Lock Screen. Step 3, open Shortcut Settings. Tap Shortcuts or Lock Screen Settings if the option is available. Step 4, change the shortcut. Select the shortcut you want to change. Step 5, choose a new app or action. Pick the app or action you'd like to assign to the shortcut. Method 3, Google Pixel/stock Android. Google Pixel phones may not offer customizable lock screen shortcuts on older Android versions, if your device supports this feature. Step 1, open Settings. Go to Settings. Step 2, open Wallpaper in Style. Tap Wallpaper in Style. Step 3, customize shortcuts. Edit the left and right lock screen shortcuts by choosing your preferred apps or actions. That's how you can change lock screen shortcuts on Android. If your phone doesn't have this option, it's likely due to your device model or Android version. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.